What up, what up, what up, chat? New morning, new month. Welcome, welcome. So, everyone's filled up over here. Let's put this on. Beautiful. So, welcome, welcome everyone. Looking like GJ ran off yesterday. Very, very nice. Yeah, very, very nice. Looking back now, I think earlier entries in the buys, instead of getting up there, probably was where Tom got in yesterday. With this closure bullish above, this candle making a low wick, retesting there, and taking a buy there, with stop loss below the previous.
Yeah, it was nice there. How's it?
Like that. Yeah. That was nice.
That was when we were doing NAS, wasn't it?
No, it wasn't. It was at half one. We wanted more of a closure above here, but realistically, with the volume kicking in there, that was quite a nice closure and a nice low wick.
I had a look on the 1H. There was a nice continuation after I think it was, you guys call it a celery, I think.
Yeah. Here?
Yeah, but that's early in the morning.
Asian, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that was because look at that as well. The hourly closed above.
Yeah. I think
that was nice.
It was good.
Yeah, it would have been pretty nice. And then the Kings, yeah, touches us in and then launches. Very, very nice. So yeah, lovely, nice volume yesterday, which was good to see. We took a nice little trade in the morning. And then yeah, we did some paper trades here on Trading View with these candles, which is nice. So yeah, we'll go through GJ. Let's just take a look though. Let's take a look if we have any news today. Start the day off. Nationwide HPI. So nationwide HPI is coming out. Okie dokie. Okay, so that might mean a little bit of cause for concern, but that's coming out in 1 minute's time, so that's all good. Good morning everyone on YouTube. Good morning. So yeah, let's just take a look at GJ then. So the daily time, well, the monthly time frame. Let's just take a look at that. We closed above where we wanted to, which is 161,700. Oh, sorry, 577. We actually closed above that, which is good, which means that now we've rejected the lows. We should continue bullish and potentially continue to 174 in the next month or so, which would be rather nice. It's like 1,000 pips. So taking a look at the daily right now, the daily has not much of a bottom wick yet. Okay, interesting. The daily time frame didn't close above this resistance here, so we've got to take that into consideration. Still kind of in this area on the daily time frame anyway. So daily time frame bullish. It's broken past the previous high already. The 4-hour time frame over here. Okay, 4-hour time frame is bearish right now. Looking like the last one kind of ran out of fuel a little bit. Make sure that it could cause for a little bit of a bearish run. Where could the bearish candles come to? Well, probably back down to the daily flip if it wanted to, and that would make the daily flip a little bit bigger. So yeah, 4-hour bearish right now. The hourly time frames have been ranging pretty hard since 2 o'clock. Okay, so pretty hard. Let's take a look then at the lower time frame. So 30-minute, 15-minute, starting to see certain levels of support. So this is the kind of the level of support right now. I wouldn't want to take sells below there, I don't think. I probably would want to take sells below yeah, below 350 maybe, because then that would be breaking this hourly levels to continue back down. But then it also could be a retest level, so yeah, kind of hard. For potential buys over here, buys are going to be pretty easy. Buys probably going to be above 162, 650, or you could potentially wait for some support to form here and then take buys to ride it back up. That could also be reasonable. So yeah, morning lads, morning everyone. So yeah, I think we have some options over here. Would I want to take the sells there in GJ? Let's just take a look on the 30-minute. The only issue is, let's look at the hourly. Yeah, this is where the retest could be, right? Because this candle's broken up. I hasn't retested it yet. So I mean, yeah, it would be kind of hard to take the sells, right? Overall, we're very, very bullish, so we'll see. We'll see. I mean, the only thing I could possibly say for the sells would be if you get a nice ass candle closing like this. Next one wicks all the way up.
It's only because the monthly doesn't have any body in wick yet. That's...
Yeah, boy. Yeah, it's got nothing really in the lower wick here. So yeah, that news has come out. Let's take a look at. Here's a much difference. Take a look at nationwide HPI 0.9. Okay, so looking like better. Changing the selling price of homes. Actually, greater FOREX is good for currency. Okay. So yeah, that'll be interesting to take a look for buys above potentially. I've had some rejection wicks there, which kind of sucks. So I kind of want to be a little bit reserved with the buys. I think potentially what I'd want is, you know, a nice solid candle closing above. Next one coming down, taking a buy there with stop loss there, which actually would be too big, but you know what I mean. And then to continue and flip it and come bullish. So yeah, let me just put this on to buys above, sells probably below, but I have to be a little bit cautious there. Yep. Right, let me just change these colors here. So yeah, that's looking alright for GJ. Where are we going to potentially target? Well, let's just take a look, right? So, if we break above over here, what do we have to the left? What do we have to the left? Okay, so, on the 30-minute time frame, in the 5th of May, 2022, we're up here as well. The next kind of resistance level is probably at 162,980. There's a minor one here as well at 860. Yeah, maybe put that on at 860. Somewhere around there. Let's take a look on the 15-minute and see if I can match that up nicely. Yeah, so looking like the resistance is probably here. So what I'm looking at to try and find where price reacted off is where price came before and where we rejected. So, yeah, the minor one's probably here, right? Yep, and then potentially even further more so to these highs. Very nice. So, yeah, looking like we've got a bit of target. So buys above to the next zone would be 20 pips. Then furthermore to the next one would be 33 and then 70. So yeah, there's some nice zones. There is some very nice zones for GJ. So we'll see. Maybe on this next closure. 30-minute timer is looking nice. The hourly's starting to push up. So yeah, maybe starting this push already. So we'll see. We'll see. Looking like it's got a little bit of a trend over here. It's been a little bit bearish. Now it might be breaking out of it. So yeah, looking pretty good. 9 minutes left though. It might push up too much over here. We'll have to see. Good thing is now we're going to see how it behaves in this area. If is it going to close solidly? Is it going to come to these highs and reject? We'll have to see. We'll have to see. GJ Daily has no bottom wick. Yeah, it's got a little nipple. It's got a little one. But yeah, it doesn't have the biggest one, right? Doesn't have the biggest one. That's fine. Okay, so Max, can you take a look at the monthly closure? Yeah, the monthly time frame on GJ came all the way down had some big bearish issues over here, came all the way down, tapped the previous resistance, which is here, and that's retraced all the way up. So basically it's rejected the lows, and it's closed above this resistance here. So we should theoretically continue bullish now into this next area. Yeah. How many points do you regularly trade when a market breaks out? 10, 12 pips. If I can. Yep. So the 50-minute close is a bit weak, then I'll probably just wait for the 30, etc, etc. So, yeah, I wouldn't want to rush into this, especially for buys. I hate buys. Music is too high. Okay, let me just put this down. So yeah, right, let's take a look at gold while we wait over here. So gold is looking very, very bearish. Wow. Let's take a look at the monthly time frame. So monthly time frame closed bearish. This next candle should theoretically fill this wick and continue to 877. That would be, I think, pretty much realistic for where we should continue to. Okay. Let's put this over here. I think that would make it a little bit easier for us. Let's put this on. There we go. Yeah, so the monthly should be continuing down over here to fill a previous wick and to continue back down to this support, big level of support. Okay. Daily time frame closed bearish. We've already broken the low of the previous already. Okay, so kind of the opposite of GJ, right? So it's bearish. We've already broken the lows. So the daily time frame closed below resistance support as well, which is nice to continue. So here we go. The daily time frame is bearish. It's already broken the low, so we should theoretically continue. Which is rather nice. 1 second, just texting my girl. Right, okay. So the 4-hour time frame is bearish as well. It's retracing up a little bit. The last one made a nice top wick. This one's kind of struggling to make a top wick yet, so it may make a more aggressive one first, then flip later on. Okay, so the 4-hour time frame here. Okay, so now we have the hourly. The hourly is making a top wick right now, which is interesting to maybe flip in and fill that back up. 30-minute close bullish though. 50-minute close bullish. Where are we retesting back up to 1833. So for me, this is the current support. This is the current support. This is the current resistance. This is the current support. So maybe some bearish closures here to then continue back down to the lows and then filling up that hourly wick. Could be nice for people. I think. People take it on the hourly time frame. That could also work as well. So yeah, I mean, resistance to form over here. Maybe sells below 1831 if you wanted as well. Yeah, could be okay. So what do you guys think then? What does Bri think about these buys? They look good?
I was just looking at, I missed the earlier entry on the 5-minute, on the 4-hour flip line, actually. Nice rejection wick, retesting 0.500 level. Yeah, so the flip there. Yeah. Such a nice entry. You would have been on 11, 12 pips already.
Yeah. Yeah. So if we got it, if this closed over here and price retraced to here, stop loss would be 12 pips. Okay. It's not bad. So we'll see. We'll see. 230 views in here already, guys. Amazing work. Make sure to like the stream up. We'll see what we can get on GG over here. Yeah. We'll see what we can get. Does it pretty good though. Hopefully you get a closure. If this doesn't close up below, above, I'm gonna be annoyed, man. Should do though. Should do. So where would the retracement come? Maybe here, 630, 635. Yeah, that's okay. I mean, the stop is a little bit too big though, unfortunately. 13 pips. Might have to just get in on the flip. I hate buying the highs though, but anyway. We'll see. We'll see the score. We'll see the closure. We'll see how it makes a low wick without a top wick. We'll see what the score is. And then we'll execute.
750.
The devil number. I won't be buying at 750. I'm going to try and get in earlier, bro. Jeez, but yeah. I saw it before. I was like, oh, nice. Goldie coming back up. Have you seen any entries over here yet, Jace? On Goldie. That one have worked out.
Not yet. Not yet, man. Not yet.
Dude.
He's kind of. No, I have it from the previous area. So if you go to line from 1838. So I want buys a bit more above me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, we are very bearish, so
Yeah.
that's the first day. I'm not gonna.
Yes,
I
sir.
want to now before I.
Yeah. Aggressive Brian. Nah, Brian sometimes likes getting into them early entries, right? Because he knows it's going to go up, so looking on the 5 minutes to try and get in is going.
You can see it, it's lovely. Bit of a range, but this is how you tell that the range is forming nice low highs, right? High lows,
Yeah.
high low, high low, high low.
Yeah, boy.
Rejection wick, 500, bam, in. With a 4-hour flip. It's confidence, you got it, it's not difficult.
So I'm thinking of this retest, right? Because I want to get in this entry. I don't want to get in on the highs. If price continues back down to here, 624, I can have a 12 pip stop. Which would be the retest of the 15. Yeah. So we'll see.
The only thing, Max, is like from current price now to Asian highs is 6 pips, so you kind of need to see what it does at Asian high.
That is true.
See,
Yeah. Oh. GJ in sus range. Yeah, I mean, all you could really do is just wait for strong closures later on, right? So there's no rush. If this isn't close strong like up here, then yeah, I'm probably gonna leave it out. I don't want it to close right here. It's just a little bit too sus for me. Just look at the 5 minute. Yeah, look at that 5 minute. Oof. Okay, so you could say the 15 has closed above, so you could potentially do it. I mean, what you'd want to do is, yeah, I'm not touching that. Look at the left hand side. Look at the left hand side. Same wicks over here. Price is coming down for the retest though, so people are wanting to get in there. I'll probably just wait for the 30 minute. Oh, nearly hit 620. No. We'll see. Why not wait for the 30? Yeah, that's what we're gonna do, my man. So yeah, we'll take a look at AJ in a sec as well. Gold looking like it's pumping up a little bit right now. We'll see what the score is. And yeah. Let's take a look at GJ right now. So yeah. On a Wanda, 15 minute closed below, yeah. And even on FXCM it closed very weak, right? And it's already rejected the high, so yeah, I'm not gonna risk this. Yeah. I'm not gonna risk it. It's not perfect, so I wanted a nice strong closure. And in the last 2 minutes of the candle retrace, hell no. So on that retest still wouldn't be activated yet. Just a lot further down. It's a 5-minute retest. May work out. But yeah, I always say, like, you know, if you're gonna try and buy the highs, don't be just getting into a candle that's just retraced back to the level that you wanted to break in the last, you know, minutes or 2 minutes. There's no point. There's no point. Why is a Wanda chart different? If you still don't know why their Wanda chart is different by the time you've been on this stream for like fucking 6 months, and I don't know. So yeah, gold is retracing kind of nicely. Let's take a look on the hourly. Hourly's broken the highs the previous. Let's take a look at the 5-minute. Yeah. I still think it's going to be bearish, but maybe later on, right? The 4 hours still going to have to make a top wick. Has rejected off 1832 though, so got to be a little bit cautious there. But we'll see. We'll see. 270 people in here already. Make sure you like the stream. A new month. It's my birthday month. I realize that me and 10 Pips have the same birthday pretty much. I'm on the 19th. He's the 20th. Pretty mad. He goes to me, oh, you're turning 24. I was like, no. 22, boy. He's like, what? How the fuck are you 22? Let's wait for the 30-minute close. Yeah, exactly, man. Be patient. You know, if this does run off, that's fair enough. But yeah, I think waiting for the 30 might be a little bit easier. No rush, especially buying highs. Unless you get in at a nicer entry, a bit lower in the zone, just be careful with the buying of the highs. They've got to be really, 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 you know, correct in the way you enter. Because you can get, like yesterday, I saw Control the stream. It was the price just couldn't break above. It took fucking ages to do it. Where was that? Yeah,
Did he actually take a GJ trade?
Yeah, he took a buy. Right around here, and he had it stops all the way here, and like price literally just couldn't break above. Like it tried to, failed, and it literally did this for like a good 2 hours. I was like, oh my god, I hate GJ buys. It's Max's B-Day month this month, so we're all pitching for him for him back home in Beijing. No,
When's
please.
your birthday, Max?
Nah, on the 19th. On the 19th. So yeah, like 2 weeks or so.
Of June.
Yeah. Best month.
Fuck,
Man.
I'm the 25th, man.
You're 25th.
24th.
Oh, 24th. Nice.
I'm a winter fucking baby, man. All in the cold.
It's the 11th.
Yo.
Not next month, sorry. Not done.
So you 72, Ron, this year.
No, I thought it was July. It's not. It's
July.
It's only
Yeah.
June. I'm a month ahead of myself. Mine's in July.
Let's take a look.
You're throwing a party on.
Where's the birthday party? Can you say happy birthday in Chinese? Fuck's sake. Oh my god. Ah, it's Jason, shut the fuck up.
You idiot. Classic.
Fucking retard. Okay, so 4 hour close bearish on AJ. Now it's starting to flip over here. The hourly time frame, has it broke the high the previous? Yeah, it did. Okay, so now, yeah, we're starting to chill about. Let's take a look at the way you'd want to take sells and buys. Probably sells would be below here, but that's kind of a choppy zone, not really too nice. And then buys would be above this resistance. So looking at GJ over here, damn boy. So just be a little bit cautious with these areas. When you've got wicks to the left rejecting before, it might do the same thing, right? So even though you could theoretically say that this closed and you got in on the flip, I'd just be a bit cautious when they've already made the wicks before the lower wick here. That's the first kind of warning sign. Second warning sign, the 30-minute hasn't closed above. Okay, so you've only got 15 to back your support up. So waiting for a 30 can help. The hourly time frame's got some big rejection wicks. So yeah, we'll see, man. We'll see. It looks like it's nearly broke the Asian highs and nearly rejected. So that would have been interesting for sells. How could you get into sells right now? Yeah, not for me. Yeah, not for me. They'd have to reject over here, come back down, and then maybe closes back in the zone, or maybe just below here. Okay, so the reason why Awanda and FXCM are different is because they're just different liquidity providers. So they have when price. So for example, FXCM has gaps. When there's gaps in the market, FXCM has them. Awanda just fills them in, and vice versa. So sometimes they differ. Sometimes it's quite a lot. Sometimes it isn't too much. Look at that rejection wick on the 5. Okay. Okay. We'll see over here. We'll see over here. Another 40% month incoming. I can feel it. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see what we can get. There's some nice retest setups yesterday, though. Damn, there's 2 of them. So if I took them 2 retest setups, so there was one there. That would have been, queen candles all the way up to like 44 pips. That'll probably be like another 3%er, 4%er. And then there was one when we took the sells here, the retest there. Stop loss above. That one there also got you 20 pips. That's like 2.8. So yeah, that would probably be about 6-7% in one day. So yeah. But GJ gives you the opportunities, man. Damn, it's good. How much percent you made last month? I made 16. Group made 12. So yeah, a lot harder month than before, but it's still profit, right? Month before that, 39%. Month before that, it's about 20, 25. So it's consistent gains. Consistent gains. Still look at this 5-minute closure. Is it closed yet? Not yet. Now it's got the bottom wick. Look where it wick to. The body of the candle. Damn. How much would your stop speed there? 8 pips. That wasn't too bad. Look at that wick retracement. Damn, boy. This could be quite nice now to break the highs if it's just rejected, but 14 pips. Oof. 14 pipperoonies. Okay. Oh. So gold looking like it's coming back up, but overall it's still very, very bullish. Bearish, sorry, so I'd probably just wait. Why not enter in the flip now? Yeah, you can. Go for it. Yeah, that would be nice. 9 pip stop. 9 pip stop. I'm just going to wait for the 30 to close. Just the way it's, it's moving. I don't know if it's going to break the highs yet. Oh, a 5-minute closure is pretty good though, I'm not going to lie. A 5-minute closure is pretty decent, not gonna lie. Yeah. So if I got in right now, how would my stops be? 11 pips. Oh, it's kind of nice. Yeah, I may try and get in over here. If it comes back down, oh no, I might have missed it. I mean, there's 4 minutes left. Should I potentially get in? Let's do this 5-minute.
Your SL will be too big if you take the high.
Well, no, if I get in now, it's gonna be it's gonna be on the lows, the current low.
Yeah, but your entry would have been where breaking the high, so then your SL would be bigger. Or would you have just jumped in the middle of that wick?
On the flip now, because the 5 minutes making the lower wick here. I think if it was a bit earlier on. My thing is that rejection wick's nice. It's 3 minutes left. I feel if it breaks that high, we're gone. Three minutes left. Do you know what? I think I'm gonna get in over here. yeah, I'm gonna get in right about now. With the current candle stops at 570, I'm getting in right now. Okay, so 670 stop over here is there. Beautiful. So I've got in. Mainly for the fact that we've rejected pretty hard, and I think this stop now is pretty tasty in this area, and I kind of want to get in before we start pushing off. So yeah, we'll see. So 660, 760 would be over here. Do 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 do. Look at this 5 minutes. Still got 2 minutes left. After that rejection candle, for me, it's worth it. So we'll see. Do 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 do. Wait for the 3-minute close and the lower wick. Yep. I agree with that. I just think for me personally, I think this lower wick may have already just been formed there, and then the next 30 is just going to rinse up and break that high. If this 5-minute closes back below, I'm going to close full.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. Because I want the drive. I want the 5 minutes closed out. It's been a nice rejection wick. And I want it to continue over here. So, yeah, we'll see. We'll see what the score is. A nice closure on the 15. Nice rejection on the 15, sorry. The 5 minutes pushing up now. If it breaks that high, we should be good. So, yeah. So, when it comes to these wicks over here to the left, yeah, I put break even, but might hit that already, which is pretty good, so we'll see. We'll see the score. But now I'm just happy because I did think that was going to break. After that 5-minute close bullish, so yeah. So if this 30-minute closes, yeah, it's below the 15. It's pretty good, man. You didn't wait for the 30 to close? No, because after this 50-minute made a nice low wick, rejected the previous level. This 5-minute close bullish above. I think for me it was worth it. How many trades do you take a day, Max? 1 to 2, sometimes 3. I'll take 2. If I have 2 losses though, that's the maximum I'll take. Yeah, I won't take any more losses after that. Okay, it's closed bullish, so I'm happy to hold this on. Strong candle. So man, if I lose this, I'm happy with it, man. It's closed beautiful. Got to make a lower wick, so people getting in hasn't made a lower wick yet. So hope it doesn't make too much of a lower wick. I do for everyone else trying to get in though. So look at the 5-minute. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this stop. I think if it rejects it here, I'd be happy because it's a nice, strong, solid closure. 30 minutes closed nicely. Where would the retracement be? Probably there. 659. So people trying to get in here, that's probably where you're going to get in, right? Brian, are you in yet? Or are you waiting for this little wick right now?
I was in a little bit before you, like when it flipped the first time, and then you waited.
Yeah. But
the only thing that was my issue was on the flip, it could have turned to a double top.
Mm-hmm.
And then I would have just jumped out. But I might actually jump out now. I've got like a pip. I'll go like 2 pips negative. If it goes negative 2 pips, I'll jump out.
Yeah. So guys, this is the retest you're looking for. it should stay right here. I mean, if it closes back in, then I'm gonna be fucked. But it's got no top wick. Probably it makes a top wick is good. If you got in right now with my stop loss, that's the retest, right? So it's the same. It's the same trade pretty much. So yeah, is your TP 162,750? Yep, TP 1. So it still doesn't have a top wick. This pull down's beefy.
Yeah, I jumped out.
Yeah.
Check the 5 max. See if have you broken the 5 lows yet. Yeah. Just close that fucking trade, boy.
I know. It's got no low. It's got no top wick though. So. I mean, I will just re-enter on the flip, to be honest with you. But we'll see.
Yeah.
Let's take a look over here. Stop is at 559. Yeah. Took 10 pips because we're at a key level 4 hour. Nice. Very nice. So here's the low wick being formed, which is nice. It shouldn't break the low of the previous if it wants to continue. However, the 30-minute it could still make an aggressive one, but for me, it's still okay. Max, you still in? Yeah, my man. The red line's here, my boy. Just making the low wick, right? Even though you do have sweaty balls, I just know it's making the low wick, and then it's reflipping, right? There you go. So it's rejecting that level now again. It's made the 30-minute low wick. Now theoretically we should continue now and flip. When we start flipping here and breaking, I'm probably put stop loss to break even, and hope it can continue over here. Candle closed without a top wick. I don't know where you see this, but they did have a top wick on. It did, my man. Stops are so big for the retest.
On the 30.
Oh, okay, yeah. On the 15 though, I don't think it was that bad. Come on, 20 seconds left, 5-minute bitch. I'll add if it breaks at the top. Yeah. Yes, sir. Good plan. Good plan. That's what you like to see. You caught the pullback? Yeah, I think if I got in a little bit later, I think I probably would have got in there with stop loss below. So I mean, like a 6-pip stop. Come on, GJ, now get your ass up. 5-minute close bearish. Yeah. Make the top wick, Jesus, I could put break even. Damn. That's the thing though, getting in a little bit early, you gotta withstand this, right? Was because now, I mean, getting on the flip there, you'd be good. But the retracement I would still be in as well, actually, so. What lot size do you usually open for gold and GJ? Gold is 5 lot, GJ is 10.
Rainbow.
Stop, move to current 15 low. Don't want to, yeah. I think that could be reasonable. Yeah. That could be reasonable for sure. It's a good way to manage risk. For sure, boy. Get your ass up, GJ. Come on, stop fucking playing with me now. You got no top wick. Make one. 7 minutes left. This is a good time where we should start to see the push. Halfway through the candle, we normally see price starting to move in our direction. Look at the 5 minute. Still holding that level. I'm still giving it the room, man. I think the 15's chill. Get your ass above, though. Jesus Christ. I just hate it when it's just fucking around like 2 pips draw.
Just hovers in that flipping area.
Yeah. Flip, GJ, flip. Yeah, man. Fucking flip. It was looking so promising at the start. I was like, oh man, this is looking tasty. It still is though. It's just fucking taking all the time. Just get the fuck back up. Jesus Christ. Come on. Come on. You've done your little lower wick now. Now fucking start pushing for half an hour.
Amazing how we talk to our trades, eh?
Amazing how what?
How we talk to our trades.
Yeah. 3 minute close bullish. Oh yes. Yeah, soon I'm gonna start to manage risk and put my stop over here at 608. Soon. I was sitting here yelling at my screen on gold yesterday. I love that. Hi, didn't subscribe. Oh, nice. Thank you for subscribing, my man. Thank you for subscribing, squad. Don't you dare come back in a negative, you fucking prick. 3 minute close bullish. Come on, boy. Okay, so for me now, I'm going to move my full stop over here, 608. On my IC market, it's 601. So now if I lose this trade, I've lost 6 pips. Which is great. And if you get the flip over here, then it's going to be good. I think if we get the flip and a little bit further, yeah, I'm going to put break even. Because I want this to drive, but it's also Asian highs, right?
How much are you up now?
3. It's not enough.
Yeah. I'm just watching the timer because the flip doesn't look too bad with the wick now. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
As I said, it comes down.
Yeah, fucking don't say that again, Ryan.
Come down, you pussy.
No, don't fucking come down anymore. Zero trades taken this month? Yes, my man, because it's June.
It's the first day of the month. Jeez.
Oh, flip that fucking candle, Jesus Christ. Flip it! Flip it, JJ! Why you never use trailing stop loss? Bro, what the fuck are you on about? I've literally just trailed my stop. Listen. Flip that fucking candle, you prick. 5 minute candle, 5 minute time frames close bullish. I mean, to manage risk now, if it breaks that 5 minute low. Oh lol, you did. I didn't notice. Yeah, I did, my man. I did, my man. So if this candle close, oh come on, it's gonna do it now. Finally, come on, GG. Fuck. Fucking push it. Push it. Push it, boy. Break that high. Here we go. Thank fuck for that. Okay, so stop loss to break even over here. Yeah, stop loss to break even. Make this a risk-free trade. Thank God my sweaty balls have disintegrated now. Now I got in at. Why does it say different?
Well done, lad.
Oh, it's because I got in at 80. Nice. Oh, sheesh! TP1 hit over here, guys. Gonna close 80%. Close 80% over here, guys. Very, very well done, guys. Amazing work, squad. Amazing work. Amazing work. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. 2 doubles in a row. That's what I like to see. Had to be patient, but everything was still fine for me. Didn't break the lows. Amazing over here. Just caught 10 pips on GJ again. No more W's in the chat. Over 370 people caught this trade over here. Amazing. Very nice, squad. Right, W's in the chat, guys. I want to spam it, boy. Amazing, amazing work. Let's get it. Let's get it right. Let's do this. Well done, people in Zoom as well, man. Starting off June right.
Need some more though.
Huh?
I'm only up 8. Needs to go. Needs to go.
Michael, have you taken them both GJ trades?
Yeah.
That's what I like to hear, boy! Fuck yeah!
I'm closing everything at that piece. I need more pips.
Yeah.
I'm not in a posture to leave runners.
Yeah, man. That's okay right now, though. 15 pips over here. Amazing work.
Oh, 15 pips.
Shh. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. TP2 hit over here, guys. TP2 hit. Very nice, squad. And there we go. Whole lot of gang. Whole lot of gang. Oh my god, this is a rocket. You might want to hold this on. Shit.
Yeah, I'm still on.
Yeah, man. I closed half and re-entered again at the flip. Nice. What a banger. What a banging trade. Very good. Very nice. Very good. Very nice.
I didn't take the drawdown. I entered a little bit late.
A little bit later on? Nice. You got it when it started pushing?
Yeah.
Is that, wait, after the 30 closed and made the low away?
Yeah.
We put the 5 minutes chart. I show you where. After when this candle break its own high, the green one.
Yeah, it's a good idea. Good idea. Beautiful.
And I have one pip drawdown.
Nice. Wow, better than mine. Fucking hell, I was sweating my ass. I just didn't want. I wanted to be more aggressive because the amount of times I've missed trades when the 5-minute close is like that, I'm just not fucking taking that risk. I'd rather just take it. I know my stop was in such a safe place anyway. So very nice. Closure below. I mean, if I had to do it again, obviously I think I'd probably wait for the 30 this time, just so my balls weren't that sweaty. And then I think I probably would have got in on. I think I probably would have taken it here, you know. But it was a little bit choppy, to be honest. I mean, even on the flip is okay, right? How much was the stop on the flip? Yeah, that's fine. So the flip is decent. So let me just change this over here. So 1W. Let me just do this trade. It's cool.
Hold on for holding it on, Max.
Yeah, boy.
It's like at one point I was thinking it always might close below, but you held that well.
Yeah, I mean, this 5 minute didn't close below for me, right? If it did close below, then yeah, I would have been more like fuck. But it's respected it
You
nicely.
trusted it and it worked.
Yeah. Nice, man. Oh, magic key's gone. There. So yeah, beautiful. Well done, guys. So that was TP1 and TP2 hit right over here. Easy work. Easy work. Easy work. So if anyone has any questions about that and how I took that and why I took that, feel free to ask me and I'll sort it out for you. Let me just start my new month. Oh,
Hello.
yes. Hello, hello.
I just cleared my second challenge.
Nice. Amazing. Fucking hell, you smashed that.
I entered with a 30-minute flip,
Mhm.
and my stop loss was lower wick.
Yeah.
I just got around 15 trade. I will send the challenge screenshot in our group also.
Wow, amazing, brother. Well done. You're doing really well. You haven't been here that long, have you? You jumped in.
No, I just joined first. It's my first month.
Yeah. Wow, amazing, my man. Oh shit! I need to make my percentage column, but yeah. Okay. Let me just put this on for a sec, guys. Wait, what time did we actually take it? What time did I take it? 7:15. I'm doing it the way we do the date now. I don't want to do it in American, right? GJ by. It was a breakout. It was kind of it was a little bit lower, right? It's just kind of. It was on the flip of the 5 minute. I should say that. This is changed to 80%. I closed full at 23. Total pips secured. Let's do the calculator. 12 times 0.8 plus 23 times 0.2. 14.2. And then next column over here I'm gonna make. There you go. 2% for the day, bitch. Very nice. Okay, Max, could you share this Excel spreadsheet? Yeah, I've got the link for it. I'll go find it. Do you want actually mine or do you want to use your own? Because I don't know how to do mine. Mine's fucking retarded. It doesn't work. But I can get you a copy of it. Sick trade to start the month. Yeah, thank you, my man. So yeah, now all we're gonna be waiting for is some more buys potentially. Just take a look. I mean, yeah. But I think so. Let's just take a look at that. Yeah, they were really nice, strong candles, nice lower wick. So that was perfect, right? That was a perfect scenario. This one here, just be a little bit careful because it didn't close too strong. Wait for the next one. Obviously, I got in as the wick flipped back up over here on the next one. And then, yeah, I was happy with that. Why did I go break even and get tapped? Oh, Craigie boy. That must fucking piss you right off. I think maybe just the drawdown here was scaring you, right? That's the only reason it could have been. So you put break even. Where did you put break even? Where did you get in? The same position as me? Or a little bit somewhere else. Yeah, it must have been when it started pushing off over here. Just put break even, like 4 pips, and then yeah. For me, this I knew that this next candle had to make a lower wick, right? I didn't think it was going to be maybe as aggressive as that, but I still knew it was going to have to make one. So for me, it was just always going to get tapped out of break even there if I put it at break even. So that just comes from doing it a lot of times. Like I think Brian, would you agree, right? So if you got that same entry as me and this candle closed here, you know for a fact if you have your stops to break even there, this candle's going to take you out. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think it's just you know, but that's fine. So this is the thing, Craig. Like, as you journal, this is basically what happened to Brian. So Brian got the same kind of entry as me. It came up, it was looking good, came back down, he closed, so pretty much at break even, just like what you did. And then he waited for the lower wick and then re-entered in the flip. That's all you had to do. So don't be too butthurt if you get a break even there. Just look for because nothing went wrong. It's just making a lower wick. Nothing's changed. You know, the 50 minutes haven't broken the lows of the previous. Everything's still absolutely amazing. You just gotta re-enter here. That just comes from doing it a lot of times. Oh, Goldie's starting to reject over here. Interesting. So look where it's rejected. Let's take a look on the 5 minute before Jason starts screaming on the chat. I don't know where you'd get it actually. I don't know how you do it, man. I still I could do it there and it makes sense, but like it's just like it's not a proper one, is it?
I was too busy watching your balls.
Did you take the GJ?
Nah, I didn't.
You pussy! Mate, I need a shower after this. Fuck, man. I need to go watch Obi-Wan Kenobi though, man. That's more important. Is it up yet? Let me take a
Go
look.
wash your onesie. Go wash your onesie.
My fucking
I
balls are sweating.
actually got in. I also got in earlier, and I closed at break even. I actually closed. I wasn't happy with it. It was fighting, and usually when I see that, but I could have gotten in on the 30-minute flip again. Like that was definitely a no-brainer. But I was like, man, it's okay. It's the first day of the month.
Obi-Wan searches for allies. Ah, yes! Okay, Connor. Wait, where's Connor? Wait, Connor, did you take that trade? Please say you did.
I reckon he did. I hope he did.
I hope you did, boy. I hope you did. Because Connor, Coursebro 2% gain, nice. Then you got, what gain did you get yesterday on GG as well? But then you got that little gold trade, didn't you? So you're recovering, Connor.
Yeah.
He's recovering. Oh, that feels great. Jesus Christ, I hated that time. Fucking hell. It was Michael the worst one. Like Michael's getting close. How close do you get to losing it, Michael?
I was 9% in drawdown.
Oh my god! Holy shit! How much are you now?
Now, I think 7.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good.
I lower my lot size.
Ah, you lowered it, yeah.
Yeah. I say I want more bullets, not just one.
Yeah, exactly. Are you looking to trade gold? Yeah, potentially. Just take a look at this hourly. Yeah. Because look what's happening now on the 4 hour. 4 hours reflipping. Yeah. Interesting. Still on the 5. So when this closes at 8 o'clock, 4 minutes left. Yeah, maybe interesting over here. Maybe interesting over here. Let's take a look who else is streaming today, right? I think it says Dr. Dollar streaming. Let's take a look. Yeah, I'll send you a link of this in a second. Let me just go see. Dr. Dollar got in. You had to sell in Asian time? Nice. Oh, we've got more views than Daniel Savage. Oh, there's similar views. Oh, that guy missed the trades. Did you just come on now? Oh, no. How the fuck did he not get in? I just didn't get in. Shit. Let's take a look at Mr. Dollar over here. Let's take that. There's GJ. So you got in at the flip, yeah. Ah, feels nice to get in the low entry even though my balls are a bit sweaty, yeah. So I got in 6 pips before everyone else. That's pretty good. Can't believe I overslept. Fuck my life. Ah, no. Will you be streaming tomorrow? Should I stream tomorrow? Would people want me to stream tomorrow? I probably won't take any trades, but fuck. Do you think I should? What do you guys think? What do you guys think?
When's that?
Maybe MY.
Yeah, tomorrow's bank holiday. For
Fuck, another one.
Yeah, and Friday.
Oh God. Okay, see you guys Monday.
I'll probably just come on.
Another
I'll
one.
probably just come on YouTube anyway because people, if I'm not on, they'll go on someone else's stream. So fuck that. If I wake up and I've got nothing else to do, and the charts are looking okay, then maybe. But maybe we'll just chill and have some fun. I don't know. We'll see. Bro, on more serious note, just for the viewers' info, tell them these breakouts don't happen every day. We've sat here and no trades are break even in NY. Different story. What do you mean that the volume just doesn't kick it in? Yeah, I think, this is an example of where clean, strong candles, lead the way. Can you see? So, can you see these candles here? Every single one of them is strong, right? They're strong. They're not decreasing in strength. They're not decreasing in body of the candles. They're getting smaller. They're just, continuing nicely. So, yeah. I want to increase my lot size, but waiting for a losing trade first in a win streak since then. Ah, yeah. I see what you mean. Okay, yeah, I'll get that spreadsheet for people now. Sorry, let me just go get it from controller. One sec. So I'm up, 30 pips now is nice. Let me just go get it over here. But still though, the moves happening earlier. It's mad, isn't it? I mean, it's not bad for us, but shit, like when I started streaming a couple months ago, man, I was getting up at 8. I was like, hell no, I ain't getting up at 7. Okay, let's just take a look on the higher time frames where we could be potentially ending to. Also, guys, make sure to like the stream if you caught that trade. 2 trades this week, 2 wins, and it all ran pretty nicely. So. 163,350. That's to the wick. Still look at the daily time frame just in case. So yeah, one things I always say to people is, because someone was saying here in the chat, the hourly looks good, closure, bullish. You go, yeah, it does. The only issue you have here is you're coming towards daily resistance. Oof. So can you see here that price rejected there, price has a support there. So you can see we're coming towards that line. Doesn't mean it can't push through. It means it might have a little bit of a struggle. Add the win to OBS. I have. Haven't I not? I have, yeah. I've done it. Yeah, boy. Wow.
Fly, you retard. Fucking fly.
Fucking fly, boy. 33 pips up. And that's run on GG. How long should I give it? Ronnie boy, it's 8 o'clock right now. I have no
It's
idea.
a runner, just set a final TP, man.
Yeah, I think 163 is a good psychological level, though. I'm not gonna lie. If you haven't taken anything, and you're up to 35 pips, then whatever floats your boat, man. I may actually just come to 350, which would be pretty nice. AJ to the moon. Ooh, has there been any AJ trades? 30-minute closed bullish above. 15-minute. Oh, that was a nice rejection wick. Sorry, not rejection wick, retest wick. So this time frame, let's just take a look over here. So let me just make this brick of a zone a little bit smaller. Okay, so was that before the 30 closed above? Yes. Okay, so. Oh no, it wasn't. Oh no, it was. Yeah. So this 50-minute close above, 30-minute close above. This next one makes a lower wick, taps this area. Let's take a look on the 5-minute. Oh, can I get any more tasty on the 5-minute? Price came back down. Look where it tapped on the 5-minute. So taking a buy there. Where would your stop loss be? Well, it would be based on the previous 15-minute, which would be down here. And then there you go. You've already got your 11 pips. Yeah, that was nice.
I took that one because I missed GJ.
Oh, good lad. So I like to see.
I waited till it wicked down, came back up, and I put it on current wick, and it was like 2.5 pip stop.
Nice.
Yeah, that's sick.
That's nice.
I was
brother.
80% at 10 pips, and now I've got a runner that's 4 pips up.
Nice, man. Well done. Well
Yeah,
done.
we also
Smart.
just have monthly resistance max. If you just go on the monthly on GJ,
Yeah, it's coming close, right?
very close.
You're very close. Make sure you like the stream, guys. Only 89 likes and 310 people in this bitch, man. Come on, guys. Let's make this the like stream we've ever had. We've got a beautiful trade. Start off the month.
Looks nice for bullish monthly close above this line.
Oh shit, sorry. 1 second. Yeah, exactly, because it's closed above here. Yeah, exactly. Oh yes. For sure. On break even.
Max, I just
Build
sent
this week now.
What do you say? Oh, second, let's take a look over here. I traded 11 days.
I was saying I just
Nice.
go ahead, you can speak.
Very nice, brother. Easy work. Easy. She traded GJ Gold, Euro AUD, and then that's probably AJ maybe. Very nice.
I traded 11 days, 10 out of 11 I closed my trade in profit. Only 1 day in loss.
Wow, good lad. Amazing. Close the streams, close the charts. What do you got? What do you got? What are you on about? Close the streams and close the charts. Okay, so looking like GJ rejected over here. Interesting, very interesting. Rejected pretty hard to continue back up. We'll have to see. So, I mean, yeah, 8 o'clock over here, pushing nicely. Very good, very good. The hourly gave a little bit of momentum as well. But yeah, I do think like in these areas, it's great to take them off. Daily resistances. Just take a look to the left hand side. Where did you say you had it, Brian? 250.
Yeah, that will work when current price closes above 163.
Yeah.
If it rejects 163, it'll come down, form support, then hit it later. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh yes.
So we need a closure above the key level for it to work.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it can just run, but a closure would then say it's got to go retest it if it closes again. You know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly. Oh, AJ staying on for Warren over here. Nice. So yeah, that would have been nice. I think I probably would have taken that as well. How much is the stop on the previous one? 8 pips. Yeah, that's nice. I would have taken that. So yeah. So it would have been like this. As I said, find out those. Also, getting in the retest as well, you don't need to take much drawdown. I know today on GG you probably would have, but for the most part, not too much. Connor, you and AJ? I don't think it's Connor, I think it's Warren, right? So it's Warren's
Warren,
voice.
AJ.
Yeah.
What was that?
You're on the AJ, aren't you? People are asking.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. So, I mean, guys, what am I going to say? I repeat it every single time this happens, every single London session. What am I going to look for NY? What are we going to look for
Support.
NY? Support.
For a retracement.
Retracement support. Yes. So I should call this. I should use that terminology that Tom does because it sounds so cool, right? So, so this here was phase 1. Look at that! Oh my god, phase 1 complete. Okay. Now we need to wait for phase 2.
Yeah, but it's true though, to visualize it for sure.
So phase 2 for me is going to be waiting for these candles. 1 second. These candles to form. That'll be phase 2, so somewhere here. And then phase 3 will be the buys back above, which should be here. And there you go. I'm gonna go check Discord, guys, because I know a lot of people have put them in. And I'm, and yeah.
Well said, man. Well said. Well said.
Sounds cool though, doesn't it? It's like, oh, what does he mean by the phases? Shit. Sounds cool, doesn't it?
Gulag's like, what's happening to Max? He's like bringing all this new shit.
soup shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna go today and just make a load of random words, and then I'm gonna call them dumb money concepts. And I was like, oh my god! And imagine if you could like keep it going, and people would go on like, other people's streams and go, do you know dumb money concepts? Like, oh yes, I know that.
That's that Max kid.
Yeah. Okay, let's take a look over here. Also, guys, I'm also gonna say if you comment on my Instagram, the last Instagram that I've just posted, you'll be entered in a Magic Keys giveaway. Also, a Magic Keys giveaway, I'm gonna give it to Sab. So make sure to message me on Instagram and prove it to you, because you've done charts every single day for the past like 2 weeks, so you deserve it, my man. Let's take a look over here. So you're looking for buys above, beautiful, and it looks like you probably would have got them nicely. Chart works amazing. So buys above 1838. Yeah, I agree. I think Roger also agreed up there. Couldn't continue there then. Came back down and sells below 1829. Yeah, that's pretty reasonable. Very clean. Look at that. This is what I like to see, man. Matrix guard, whatever you called here. Amazing. You're looking for the buys above. You're already looking at it. You're waiting for the closures, and then you execute on it. Very nice. Beautiful. Very, very nice. That's where I got in, pretty much. Easy stuff. So yeah, go on my Instagram right now. I'll put the Instagram link here, and only comment once, though. Don't comment like 15 billion times, and then you'll be entered in Magic Keys. Another trade there. Wow, everyone caught this trade. Everyone in that grandma caught this trade today, man. Shit, well done, squad. Very, very nice. This is the beginning. We want to invite you. I swear that's Dr. Dollar's thing. Not sure where to report these. Shit, man. I need to sort out my fucking Discord, man. I just can't be asked. God, I got 1,700 people in there. Fucking hell. I am new in your live. Oh, welcome. Nice to see you. So yeah, we just took a trade before, a little bit earlier on, and now price is still continuing. So how could you have got in at 8 o'clock? It would have just been the impulse buys above, right? Yeah. Jesus. Happy birthday in Chinese. Oh my god. Let's take a look, Sash. Jesus Christ, your chart's bright. Okay, so gold 50-minute time frame. Okay, so we came back, we closed below, we came back, retraced, rejected, closed, didn't close below. 5-minute closed above the 4-hour flip. Entry as the next one, flipped bullish, rejecting the lows. Oh, that was fucking tasty. Let's take a look at how that looked on the 15. So support there. Yeah, nice. Let's look at how that looked like on the 5-minute. Oh, because the past 5-minute closed bullish, the next one made the lower wick and then flipped. Yeah, that was tasty. Oh my god. 30 pips for a 9 pip stop. Okay, I see you there. God, this GJ is still running. Fucking hell. You guys gonna be closing some partials over here. Wow, AJ worked nicely, man. Yeah, that was chill. See, I love that. I love that from Warren. Warren missed out on GJ. He doesn't sit there and get pissed off. He goes and looks at AJ because it's very similar, and then takes the same trade.
and cashes in.
That's fucking sick, isn't it? I love that.
Just closed 20 pips on my runner as well.
Good lad. Good lad.
It was a bit of fun. I thought everyone else has got this one. I'm gonna have to jump in.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I would have jumped in that. So what time did this happen? 7:45. Oh, I would have been done that move, wouldn't I? Shit, I could have actually got that one.
Plus AJ did exactly the same, so I thought if it's gonna do same as GJ, it's setting up same.
Yeah.
And we're 2 pip stop.
Yeah. Nice. Very nice. Closing 40 pips in the runner. Good lad, Ron. Good lad, good lad. Very tasty. The only negative of funding is, in the meantime, I wait for payment. I can't trade the account. Ah, that's a shame. That's a shame, man. Oh, that's a fucker, Ignacio. Oh. Missed yesterday and today is like 3%, yeah. Oh. And a 200k? Oh, shit. Max, do you realize you could become an FT mode trader, right? Yeah, we talked about this yesterday, and yeah, I'm still probably gonna do it as a YouTube series, but you know, I'm still not asked. I've got my own funds, man. I've got over 6 figures now. I hit 6 figures in March or so. So yeah, my account's big enough for me right now. I'm only 21. I'm happy with a 6-figure account, man. And my 10 lots. Let's take a look. But yeah, I might do it for a series and stuff. Where are you from? I'm from UK, Newcastle. Newcastle. For AJ, that wick is so small though. Does that usually happen with AJ? I've only started trading last month. What do you mean the wick's so small? What do you mean? What wick? Even getting on them 30-minute highs, how much is the stops? 16 pips, kind of big. I don't know what you mean by the wick. Trading AJ, oh, like the wicks, yeah, they're just small wicks. It's great. It means your stop losses are tiny. Stop losses in AJ are around about 7-6 pips most of the time. Wow, Ignacio, make sure you send me some money over. Thank you very much. You know my PayPal. Right, quick, go to the toilet.
Max needs some toilet water after that trade, bro.
Ready ho. So yeah, AJ did nicely, Goldie did nicely, and GJ did nicely. So yeah, I think now if you're trying to get in, I think you just missed the move, right? And this is when you can get rather slapped, and it could be a little bit emotional. And you're like, man, everyone just milked this trade, and I've got this here, and I'm trying to buy the flip here to try and fill that wick, and it doesn't work, and it's just, you know, it's a pain. You just got to be able to accept that you've missed it and just move on. Gotta accept it. Do. Gotta accept it, boy. Let's have some more comments in over here. Let's take a look at DC as well. DC's a good man. I was listening to him before. He sounds like a chill dude.
Can help me with recovering a Telegram account.
Oh, you got EJ as well.
EJ.
Yeah, he trades EJ.
43 pips, 44, 45 pips. Let's go. This is a monster right over here.
Look pretty clean, right? Breaking the highs there. Very nice.
Rocket to be a picture.
Let's go. Let's move. Come on.
What up, bro?
Come on, guys. Who's ready for this to absolutely pop off?
This guy's cool. Where's he from? You got a cool accent.
Alright, EJ, let's play. Come on. Come on, EJ, let's go.
Stays right near me. Really? He lives near you? That's sick. Ah.
Come on, EJ, you got way too many people sitting on that hand.
What is this? What's this? Sick.
Let's go, Chad. What are we talking about? Start the month off with an absolute banger or what?
He's cool. I like him. He's got something about him. I like it. I like him. He's like a road away. Wow. Yeah, we had a helicopter today. A nice helicopter to start off this month. Where do I send charts? Either in Discord or in the chat, like you would on other people's streams. You press the camera, you press the link. I always say this, but I always get it wrong. Is it that? No, it's not that. Camera, copy chart image. And then, oh, it's not that one either. Fuck's sake. Copy link to chart image. Is it that one?
Yeah.
Okay, copy link to chart image. Then you put it in here, and then take off this bit. Because YouTube doesn't like you sending things for fucking retarded reason. And then just send me that. Then I could take a look at it. How did you close positions here, Sash?
17. I should have fucking held it. Fuck's sake. It was so nice, man. Like everything was playing up. You left this zone. Yeah. You left that untested.
Yeah.
Came up. This was the breaker structure. That candle there. Oh fuck. I'm trying to do it cleanly. That candle there was breaker structure. And then once this held, we had one 5 minute candle close above 4 hour flip. Next one came down, flipped, and then she was there. It's 15-minute flip as well. But your stops was 10 pips.
Yeah.
And that closed like here, and then I should have held it to there.
Yeah.
Annoying.
The more you do it though, the more times you're just gonna hold on to the TPs. Cause
yeah. We're working on this like the flip ups from key levels.
Yeah.
Because it's like psychology thing, right? It's like psychology candles. It looks like it's going down, but you're trading against it. But as long as the levels hold, you should be alright.
Well, you had that on GJ quite a lot. I swear Brian's been getting in on them a lot on the 5 minutes on GJ. Yeah.
Since October.
Since October.
Yeah, that's the next step. That's the next step. Trading against the candles with the confluence. Like it's a hard thing to do, but it's nice. But GJ's fucking. I can't believe I missed that.
Oh, you missed it. Why?
I got out of bed, went for a shower, sat down. I was like getting a coffee and stuff, and then I looked at it and I was like, oh. I got in at the bottom, like on the 5 minute, and then got break even. I only put like 4 pips. Ran off, came back, and it was fucking up 20 pips.
Wait, are you at uni, Sash?
Nah. I left 2 years ago.
Oh, 2 years ago, yeah.
No, he's only in the shower.
I'm in the shower, yeah, literally.
Yeah.
I'm so fucking ill. You can't. It's so hard to trade mentally when you're ill. Like,
Just put an iPad in the shower.
yeah, I should. I had the Zoom on. I had it lurking.
Yeah.
So annoying.
So let's take a look there. Yeah, so like this example here, like I think people who are new, they just go, right, you know what, this trend's followed, I'm just gonna buy it here. On this lower wick, and then look, you'll just get slapped. So I always just say, if you've missed the move, just miss the move, man, and just leave it alone. Let's take a look at Zen over here. How do you calculate the overall profit? I mean the overall pips. Okay, so let's do it again. So for this example here, I closed 80% at 12 pips, and then the rest at 23. So all you got to do in a calculator is just think about 80% is like 0.8 and 20% is 0.2. So you can change that. So if it's 50%, it's 0.5. So then you get your first things. Let's just do a new one, right? Let's just say I got 10 pips to start off with. 10 pips at 80%. So you do 10 times by 0.8. Plus, then your runner got 20, right? So 20 times 0.2. So that is your true value of how many pips you've got. Because you've got 80% at 10 and 20% at 20. And that is the true value, 12. Okay, so all these fucking people who are using this over here and are putting in fucking 12, 23, and then 23, look how much they're lying by, 9. It's, you know, it's a big difference. So just, yeah, I'm just being transparent with that I've actually made 14 pips on this trade, not 23, okay? There's no point in lying to people because they're always going to find out eventually if they've got a fucking brain. So why don't you just tell them how to do it properly? There's no need. Because people be adding up because people be adding up in people's like signals like, well, you just say we've caught 3,000 pips or 300 pips this month. Well, I've only got 120. It's like, well, yeah, because he's fucking lied about the runners.
Flick to gold 5. There's another one just happened.
Yeah.
See how we got so you got this level here, yeah? And if you're scared of getting in the retest there, you can wait for this count. So the first bearish count closed above the res. Yeah. Then the next one came down, flipped, and that's your entry on that flip.
Yeah.
So it's kilo flip, so it's another one there.
That's why gold really respects structure. It's really good.
Yeah, I know. Different prices are really respect. I'd say a lot more than GJ. GJ rejection? Nah, it's not rejecting, my man. It's just messing around. It's just relaxing a little bit. Just move like 50 pips, right? That would bother me 6 to 12 months ago. Now I make a joke of it and call it a kind of move on. Yeah, exactly. Nothing you can do about it. The worst thing you could possibly do is miss this trade here, get pissed off, take a trade here and lose. You're like, oh my god, I just fucking lost and everyone just won. Like, what the fuck? It's the worst feeling ever. How do you work out percentage? Yeah, I just did it there. Hopefully that explains it. So that's all it is, you know, in any calculation. So if you made 5 pips and you closed at 50%, and then you closed the 20 pip runner, another 50%, that's your total. Okay, it's just simple maths. There's Scott in here and Finn. Usually Finn took that trade. Been quiet today.
Nope.
No. Oh,
no.
We were away.
Yes, I'm very, very upset with myself. I don't even want to hear it. I would have been able to draw down if I took that.
Ah, fuck.
Nearly just fucking punched my screen before. No, I didn't really. I'm alright. I was pissed before. I'm actually alright now.
Oh, sorry guys. Everyone, why measuring pips not percentage? Yes, sorry. Okay, I'll show you the percentage now. Okay, so now you've got your true value. So this is your true value that you've made, right? So now to get this value, all you got to do is, I mean, this is different in here, but you just do equal sum of the total pips secured. Okay, times by is, well, for me, I risk 1.4% per trade, so 0.14, and that's the true value. Okay, so just like here, so if I got 14 pips, here and I risked 1%, then I got 1.4%. Okay, simples, simple maths. So yeah, after this stream, I'm gonna make a percentage column here. This is gonna be the actual true percentage of what I make in the month. The actual. And then you can see, you know, how it actually works. And then when I do gold, it's half risk. So this calculation is divided by 2 here. 0.14 divided by 2. And yeah, that's it. This Scotty, I want to know where Scott got in. Scotty, is Scott here? Scott would have taken that. He doesn't miss it. He doesn't miss it. Scotty boy. Oh, Finny would have been hard right now. Oh my god. Oh no, no, no. Wow.
Funny. You prick.
You'll get there, man. You always get there. You always get there.
All good.
You always get there, boy. So yeah, I may leave it off early over here because I don't think I'm going to take anything else, and there's no need to fuck around on here when I could be doing something else, like watching Obi-Wan Kenobi.
I'm gonna say watching TV.
What was that like, Max?
You good?
Which one? The first 2 episodes?
Both, whatever.
Yeah. The first 2 episodes are good, man. Some cringe bits in it, but apart from that, it's pretty fucking good, yeah. So excited for this 3rd one, which just came out, man. Oh, yes. Great start of the month. GG's, my man. Yeah, man. I saw Max. Hi, Max. How do you have an Excel file about compound? Yes, I do. And I tried to share it, but I don't think it fucking works. But just make it yourself. I'll show you it again. But like, it's really not hard. I think it's good to go through the maths, because if you don't get the maths and you just copy me, then you're probably not going to get trading really. So all I'm doing here is I've got the months in one column. I've got your starting balance. And then at the end of the month, so here I've said that I've made 16% a month. So 1.16 is 60% gain, right? And then you drag that all the way down, and these are your figures. It's compounding every single month. And then you do the same thing here. So I have to change this to 1.6. And then here you go. This is all changed over here. Let me just move this down. And there you go. So, yeah. It's pretty simple. Try. I really think people should try and do the maths themselves, because the issue you have is if you don't get the compounding, like if you actually don't get it mathematically, then how are you going to get like stats and all that kind of stuff? So yeah. So yeah, guys, and make sure to like the stream. I'm going to leave it off over here. Thank you very much for coming on, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. If you guys do want to join NY and the group, over 130 people over here in the group, make sure to come and join the mentorship. It's £50 a month. It's not much at all. And the amount of stuff you get with it is too much every single month, to be honest. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on, and I'll see you guys later. See you later, Zoom. I'll see you later for NY session, man. Peace out. See you later, guys. Peace out. Adios, amigos. See you later, alligator. See you later, YouTube, man. Peace out. Much love, man. Adios, amigos.